Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody just posted on Facebook they're having trouble with numbers on text to path to the bottom of a path. They always get squished up. So here's a couple of things. This would be a normal number, text to path, and then put on the bottom and get it where you want. Wait for that red line to appear so you know you're in the center. And then you can mirror it both directions, and then you could bring it down. But you see how it's kind of squished together. So what I would suggest, and I do this sometimes, and especially on numbers, space the numbers out so when you type them, put a space between them. Then go ahead and mirror them that way, mirror them that way. Go up to text to path, and then when you put them on there, you wait for the red line and you're done. Now you can always take the shape tool and squish them together a little bit more, or whatever you want to do. But they look funny when you do that. This way they look symmetrical and so on. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.